Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This is going to be a quick one on just showing how to adjust the modulation of a track post-recording. So let's just get right into it. Let's generate a track here. And there we go. So we're going to need some notes to test this on. Let's just generate a pattern of chords. There we go. We're going to use the BBC Orchestra, the cello section. Long. As you can see, we can control the reverb here, but there's no way to adjust attack or anything. To do that, we would need to use a modulation wheel. As you can see here, I have a MIDI controller with me. You're most likely going to need one to do this. So let's get right into it. We're going to click the header to see controllers. And we're going to click the plus and control changes, modulation wheel, course. This should pop up. Let me drag this down a bit to get a better look. Now make sure your MIDI controller is set as the default here. I'm using my KeyStation 49 Mark III. And we're going to make sure that is recording. Now I'm going to press R to start recording my inputs of the modulation wheel, and I'm just going to move the wheel as it goes. Let's do this here. Now we can see what I did. I went up, down, you know, trying to just reproduce some swells quickly. Now, if I open up the plugin, we will see that the modulation wheel was moving. You can check here or here. Let's have a look. So it's emulating it as if I did this in real time. So if you're playing a piece, you can just play the piece and not have to worry about the modulation. Stop that. Oh, that's pretty much it. I think there's a whole bunch of tools here, but I haven't really messed with any of them. All I needed was this one. So if this helped you out, leave a like. I hope it did. It certainly helped me out. And have fun recording. I'll see you next time, and bye-bye.